Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please make sure you hit that red rectangle button which is down below right here, followed by the post notification bell so it notifies you when I drop a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome. Thank you for coming back. Please continue to subscribe because I got lots more for you. Sorry, I haven't done that intro like in so long, so it's like, you know. So today I'm back. I'm doing an update on my pop voice Lavalier microphone. So guess what? I was just sitting here. I just finished up one of my VidCon panels, which was about leveling up, basically, like how to be a CEO and all that. So I was just sitting here and I was thinking to myself, I've been thinking about this, not because of the panel. How come I can't get the pop voice to work on my laptop? Like, that's weird that I have to buy another adapter, which is weird because I know they have a built-in headphone port. And I was like thinking to myself, no, they don't. So I was sitting there, I was like, they do. Let me just test it out. So I look now. I have the MacBook Pro with a touch bar, so I thought that I didn't have the port, because I remember when I first got it and I was like, hey, I want to listen to music or something, I need the port, and I couldn't fit my headphones into there. I have the standard size headphones, you know, the little, basically like this size. I put my headphones back in my room, but yeah, basically this size, and it didn't work. And I was like, what is going on? Maybe I didn't put it in properly. Quarantine is really making me work, and I've been thinking about things. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to use, basically this video is about, I'm gonna show you how to use, you all know by the title, how to use this microphone on your MacBook Pro touch bar. Because I knew, even if I figured out how to do it, how can I get it to work? Didn't work. I tried watching a video, they said something about built-in. I'm like, I don't have all those functions. Because the video I was watching here, let me go search. The video I was watching is from like 2015. Didn't have everything I had, because I guess my stuff is up to date, right? So I was like, since my stuff is up to date, how is this going to help me? And then I canceled the video and I figured out on my own. That's what I do. When I don't understand something, I go search it up on YouTube, and then I try to work through it on my end. But I don't watch all the whole video, because like I'm stubborn like that, where like I want to learn on my own. But then if I really don't get it, then I watch the whole video. This video of me watching was just like a few minutes I watched. But yeah, let's get into the video. So I was reading the instructions. Where are the instructions? Hold on. I was reading the instructions and it was confusing me as to like where do I record it from. Like, it doesn't tell you like what about the port or whatever, because I tried both ways. I'm going to try both ways and show you all with and without the adapter, because I was reading it here, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can catch that. There. It says you need the port. So I was like, I don't need the port. It's going to click. It's been clicking. So that's the port. I already added it. You'll see. I'm going to take it off. First, I want to try without the port and with the port. I mean, not the port, the adapter. Sorry. I'm going to try with and without the adapter. Talking to y'all about, not showing. See? You'll see right there. I thought I had no port. I remember putting my stuff in, it didn't work. But anyways, I don't know. Let me just, as you guys can see, no adapter. I'm just going to put it in. Let me show y'all. Gonna put it in now. Y'all hear the click? You're supposed to hear a click sound. So look. Hold on. I can't do this with two hands. I mean one hand. Technically one hand. Hold on. There. Y'all heard their click, right? I'm going to be... Well, let's screen record. Let me put on the stuff first. I'm not even ready. Microphone. There's a microphone. Screen record now. Okay, so I'm screen recording. I go to system preference, because that's what he showed me. I go to sound, because he was saying sound. I'm like, where do I go? I remember that part. And then I saw the sound. I'm like, alright. Sound. And then I think it's already plugged in. So we're going to unplug it. We're going to go to output. And then you're going to see something change. So, did anything change? I saw something change. Let's see. Hello, hello. It says internal built-in mic. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna try new auto recording, which is right here. You'll see. So this is quick timer, quick time player. So if you have quick time player, use that. So auto record, which is right here. I am going to press the auto record myself, and then play. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing. Take that out, because when I was testing it, I didn't take out the microphone, because the microphone port is in the headphone jack, so it wasn't playing. I was like, why is it not playing? So I made about 5 recordings, you can say. Let's see. You can't hear nothing. That's what happened last time. I don't know. You can't hear nothing. So I gotta remember, number 13 was without the jack. I mean the adapter. So now, when I mean number 13, you all see number 13 means the document number 13. Well, document number 14, I'm gonna use the adapter. So y'all hear that click? Let me do it again. There. You're gonna hear a click here too. There. So I don't know if y'all seen that. Maybe because I'm screen recording, I don't know, but when I put it in, y'all will see, oh, it did change. See how it says internal speaker when I press the output? So let's try this again. Look. And then it says headphone ports. So when I take it out, y'all see it says external speaker built in, and then as soon as I put it in, it says headphones, because that's a headphone port. Alrighty. And then you see the mic in the input. When I press input, you see the mic. It says external mic. External mic was always in there. But anyways, let's try number 14, a new auto recording. We're gonna start it. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Y'all see the bars up there? You see how it was like picking up and going down? That's how I knew. That's when I started to know that it was working. Because the other one, as you can see, number 13, it was not picking up at all. It was just doing something. But yeah, stop it. Take out the jack, not the jack, the microphone. Let's play number 14. Hello, testing. Y'all hear that? 3. So hello, testing 1 2 3. Y'all see the bars up there? You see how it was like picking up and going down? That's how I knew. That's when I started to know that it was working. Because the other one, as you can see, number 13, it was not picking up at all. It was just doing something. But yeah, stop. So y'all notice that you need the adapter for the desktop. Well, it's not a desktop, it's a laptop. Y'all need the adapter to put for the mic so it could work. Let's try number 13 now. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing. Oh, so actually you don't. 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. That's number 13 playing. Y'all see there, right? So I don't even need this. But what I noticed the difference is number 13, which was the without the adapter, as soon as I played it back, it took long to play back to me. So the playback was taking long to play back. So I thought it doesn't work, and I put in the adapter. As soon as you put in the adapter, you get the playback quick. You hear the results. Everything is good. Now I'm gonna compare which one sounds better.
Testing 1 2 3.
See how the audio is delayed without. The audio is very delayed without the adapter, as you can see. Let me play that again for you.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing.
It's like very delayed. I don't know why. Well, number 14 with the adapter.
Hello, testing 1 2 3.
It's quick.
Hello,
and you can hear me clearly.
1 2 3. Y'all see the bars up there? You see how it was like picking up and going down? That's how I knew. That's when I started to know that it was working. Because the other one, as you can see, number 13, it was not picking up at all. It was just doing something. But yeah. Stop. Testing 1 2 3. Testing.
I'm kind of liking 13 now. I don't know.
Testing. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Y'all see the bars up there? You see how it was like picking up and going down? That's how I knew. That's when I started to know that it was working. Because the other one, as you can see, number 13, it was
I sound like I'm echoing in 14.
It was just doing something. But yeah. Stop.
Well, 13.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2.
13, you hear me clearly. Well, I'm echoing in 14. But either way, I'm excited because now I know that I can record with my mic using my MacBook Pro. Oh my god, thank you. Like, I'm so excited. I'm excited that I could use this. There's no problem now. So since I rated this at 8.5, I feel bad. I think I should rate it a 9.5. Should I still give the 5.5 or no? I still feel like I should rate it a 9 because I'm gonna push it up to a 9, not 9.5. 9 because you actually don't need the adapter, as you can see. It gave you instructions on what to do with the phone. Like if you were to put it on your iPhone, as you can see, it gives you instructions on where to go to record. Whereas for your PC, you don't even know where to go. I had to search it up, but even though I searched it up, it still didn't help me. I had to figure out my own functions of how to work it. Well, this don't show you, so I'm just gonna give it a 9. I'm gonna bump it up to a 9 because everything is working properly. I don't have to worry. All I have to do is put in the port, like I said in my previous video. Hopefully you guys go see that. I'm gonna put in the I right here. It's gonna be before, or I'm gonna put it down in the description. It's gonna be down in the description. Anyways, like I said before, when they first made this microphone, they made it for easy access, like a port. You can put it in any port like that, which I like. Other mics, it's hard to figure out what to do. Like this already, like I think I did watch a video before I bought it. I watched a video on when they unboxed it and how they used it. They didn't really show the part on how they installed it and all that. So for me, this was an easy installment. This basically, I would say 2 minutes because I already know how to use it. But it takes about like 5 minutes to set up. While other mics, it's gonna take forever. So this is easy. Travel accessible. I can't even talk. Easy to travel with, so it's accessible. I can travel anywhere, like I was saying. I can carry it. It's lightweight. It's like a headphones, and it's long too, so you can't go wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna rate this a 9 because I haven't used it a lot. Well, you guys see me, but I haven't used it because I'm still using my Canon G7X camera because it's just easier, smaller, and the lighting is better on it. Whereas my 80D, the lighting is bad. Well, the lighting doesn't pick up properly because I need proper lighting. Whereas this, I only have a little bit of lighting, but it's capturing clearly. Canon G7X doesn't have the microphone port, whereas my 80D camera does. That's why I'm only giving it a 9, because they need to step their game up. One of you guys, either the Canon or the Pop Voice people. So yeah, I feel like I was a little bit everywhere, but you know, I tried. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I taught somebody how to do this, because I did not know how to figure it out. Because Mac stuff are easy to use, but it's also complicated at the same time. But I'm glad that now I know I can use it on my MacBook Pro. That's all that matters. So money worth spent, guaranteed money worth spent, off Amazon. By the way, I got it off Amazon, so I'm glad that I purchased this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.